د انګلش بنیادي او اساسي جملې په پښتو او په انګلیسي کې تاسو څنګه یې؟
How are you? How are you?
زه ښه یم.
I am fine. I am fine.
ستاسو کورنۍ څنګه ده؟
How is your family? How is your family?
هغو ښه دي.
They are fine. They are fine.
زندگی څنګه روانه ده؟
How is life going on? How is life going on?
ښه روانه ده.
It is going well. It is going well.
نن موسم څنګه دی؟
How is the weather today? How is the weather today?
یخ دی.
It is cooled. It is cooled.
ګرم دی.
It is hot. It is hot.
پرون موسم څنګه و؟
How was the weather yesterday? How was the weather yesterday?
ګرم و.
It was hot. It was hot. Get out. Get out. Get in. Get in. Turn off. Turn off. Turn on. Turn on. Sit down. Sit down. Stand up. Stand up. Open. Open. Close. Close. Go up. Go up. Go down. Go down.
نه د داسې نور ویډیوز لپاره او مکمل درسونو لپاره زمونږ یوټیوب چینل در سره سبسکرایب کړئ چې د هغې نوم دی
ټیچر حکمت انګلش. مننه.